Welcome back, Copperhaven families. Starting on the first day of school, we are launching a new traffic flow plan designed to make morning drop-offs and afternoon pickups safer and faster for everyone. The biggest key to this new plan is completely separating parent traffic from school bus traffic. By doing this, we will eliminate long traffic backups families have experienced on Grove Drive in past years. For general student drop-off and pickup, parents will turn south onto Copperhaven Drive. Head west on Callista Way. And enter our new paved drop-off loop in the southwest field. Follow the loop around, drop off on the passenger side, and exit back onto Callista Way. The front parking lot on the north side of the school will now be reserved only for designated placard holders during drop-off and pickup times. This includes students with mobility needs and our kindergarten families. If you're visiting the school to volunteer or coming inside during the school day, you will continue to use the front lot as usual. All school buses will continue straight down Grove Drive directly into the bus transfer site, keeping the area clear and safe for students transferring to their paths. Even more relief is on the way. The City of Spruce Grove is completing the brand new multi-lane boundary road scheduled to open in November. This will add a second major artery heading south to Highway 16A, making your commute even smoother. Thank you for your cooperation and patience as we implement these exciting changes. We look forward to a safe, smooth start to the school day.